Hello, brother. Can I interview you for a minute?
Okay, make it fast.
Do you have a voter's card for the coming election?
No, I don't. And I don't want to because our vote doesn't count.
My brother, our votes do count. If our vote doesn't count, they will not be spending tons of money to buy votes.
It's only God that will help us in this country.
Good morning. What's been your biggest challenge lately? The cost of transport has made everything difficult. And how are your customers reacting? They complain, but they still buy. We all have to eat.
Hello guys, I have a very good news here. Yes, I found an AI tool that allows you to have access to Grok and also Seedance 2.0 fast for absolutely free and almost unlimited. And in today's video, I'm going to be taking my time step by step and show you how you can have access to this free AI video generator. And all I want from you now is to just pay very close attention so you don't miss any part of this video. You know I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so for you to do this, the first thing that you need to do is to go ahead and generate an image that we are going to be converting to video using the free AI video generator. And guess what, you also have access to Google Nano Banana Pro from this AI video generator that I'm about to show you. So let's head over to ChatGPT to get our prompts that we are going to use to generate the image. Alright guys, so here we are on my ChatGPT. So now I'm going to be putting a simple prompt. I will be pasting a simple prompt. Let's see what kind of style movie that you want to create. Let's say I want to create a Nollywood setting, right, of a mother and a daughter in a living room. A very simple something like that. You know, the main aim is to show you the free AI video generator, but you cannot do without getting an image and also a prompt to get that image. So that is the reason why I want to do that. So I'm going to be pasting a simple prompt like this. So I'll say, look at it, I say, I want to create a Nollywood movie style of a mother and a daughter sitting down in a modern living room having a conversation. The mother is in her 50s while the daughter is in her 20s. That is when I say 50s and 20s, I'm trying to declaring their age. Okay, so I'm going to tell ChatGPT to now act as my prompt engineer and optimize this prompt to get an image scene. Okay, so ChatGPT will now act as my prompt engineer. Okay, this is what I want. I just describe what I want to ChatGPT. And I tell ChatGPT to act as my prompt engineer to optimize my prompt for me. So ChatGPT will act as my prompt engineer and write a well detailed prompt that I'm going to use to generate the image for this particular scene. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit OK. Alright, so within few seconds, ChatGPT was able to give us a detailed image prompt. So what I need to do now is to just copy this prompt and head over to Google Nano Banana to generate it. So let me just copy it, and then as you can see, I just copied it. Alright, so here we are on Flow, and I want to access Nano Banana from here. And also, you don't need to panic. The AI tool that I'm about to show you, you also have access to Google Nano Banana also from there. But I want us to test this external one and there also. I'm going to show you that one also. So now here we are. So what I need to do now is to go ahead and click this video. Okay, this video, and then I'm going to put it on image. Okay, put it on image, and then go ahead and select the aspect ratio. Select your aspect ratio and then put it on x2, that is 2 image per prompt, and then go ahead and paste your prompt and hit OK. So now let's watch and see as our image is being generated. Alright, as you can see, so our image has been generated. Look at that. Okay, the quality of the image is top notch. Okay, you can go ahead and pick anyone that you prefer. For me, I prefer the one on the right because it looks more modern. Okay, go ahead and open it, as you can see, and then click this click the drop down arrow up, and then 2K resolution. It will be upscale and be downloaded into your gallery successfully. You can pick the second one also if you like it. So now we are done generating our image scene. So what we need to do now is for me to show you the free AI video generator, and also you can have access to this same Google Nano Banana from this new AI tool also. But before that, we need a prompt that we are going to use to convert this image to video, right? So let's quickly head over to ChatGPT and generate a video prompt so that whenever we head there, we upload this image and then we just paste the prompt and then we convert the image to video. So alright, so here we are on my ChatGPT. So I'm going to be pasting a simple prompt like this. Okay, look at this prompt. Okay, it's a very simple prompt like this. So I say that, okay, help me write a well detailed prompt that I can use to convert this image to video, and I put the dialogue. So the girl, which is the lady at the right, say, "Mommy, I want to let you know that I will be resuming school this week." And then the mother, which is the woman at the left, replies, "My dear, We will talk about that later. Okay, go and cook first. Okay, go and cook. We'll talk about that later. Go and cook something for dinner. Then scene 2, she's just cooking, no talk, no, no sound. The reason why like this video is actually a full movie. It's actually a full, but if you notice, we only generate one image, right? I just want to use sample of this full movie that I was creating to show you the free AI video generator, because that is the aim of this video. If you want to watch the full movie, then I highly recommend you to check my channel. If you want to learn how to create any kind of realistic AI video, I highly recommend you to check my channel. So this is just me using part of this full movie to show you the free AI video generator. Remember, if you go to that free AI video generator, it will require of us to put an image and also a prompt to convert the image to video. So that's why we are just using this sample from the full movie to create this. So you don't need to panic. Okay, it's the same process. So the main goal is to show you the free AI video generator. If you want to learn full movie, check my channel. All right. So now I just paste the prompt and I hit OK. So now let's watch and see. So within few seconds, ChatGPT was able to give us a well-detailed video prompt. Look at that. Okay, look at that. So now what I need to do now is to copy the scene 1. Okay, only the scene 1. Copy it, and then now let me show you the free AI video generator. A quick one. Do you want to learn how to do everything with AI? How to create any type of realistic AI video? How to create a chatbot using AI? How to create a responsive website using AI? How to create any type of flyer or logo using AI? Facebook adverts, prompt engineering, and so many more, then I highly recommend you to join our academy today. On our academy, we have over 10 modules, and each of the modules come with its own lesson, as you can see. So if you are interested, join our academy to learn everything today. So just click the link at the description of this video and you are going to see a link to our academy. Join our academy today. Alright, so here is the free AI video generator. Okay, so the name is Dropshot AI. Okay, you just have to search for Dropshot AI or use the link above, aistudio.dropshot.io. right? So that is the URL. Okay, and as you can see, you can generate image here, and also you can generate video, and also there's some template and a lot of things here that you can do. On this platform, you have access to Google VEO3, you have access to Grok, you have access to Seedance 2.0 fast, you have access to Omni Flash. All right, a lot here, and also Google Nano Banana. Let me say, if you want to generate image, you just have to go ahead and click this generate image, and then look at it. Look at Google Nano Banana Pro. You can have access to Google Nano Banana Pro to generate your image. I told you before, but for the purpose of this video, we just want to generate video, right? And as a new beginner, you'll be asked to log in. Okay, you'll be asked to log in using your Google account. You just have to go ahead and log in using your Google account. Very simple, right? So immediately you log in, they are going to give you a free AI credit. Okay, they are going to give you a free, you are going to claim 600 AI credit the moment you log in. Now let me log in. You see, but I don't have any credit here. Let me log in. You are going to see the credit. So click this join now. All right, so now I just log in using my Google account, and if you notice very well, they have given me my 600 AI credit for absolutely free. So for the purpose of this, you want to generate video, right? So go ahead and click the generate video. All right, so as you click the generate video, it's going to bring you here. Okay, go ahead and select the model that you want to use. Click by clicking this arrow. As you can see, they have Grok Imagine Video here. They have Grok Imagine Video 1.5 and also Seedance 2.0 and also Gemini Omni Flash. They have Kling 3.0 here also, and also they have the Dropshot AI. There are so many AI model that you can select from, but for me, I'm going to be making use of the Grok Imagine, right? So I'll just have to go ahead and select it. Make sure to put it on 10 second or 15 second. Okay, you are going to see it here, and then now I've selected it. What I need to do now is to go ahead and bring in the image that I want to convert to video. So I'll click here. So here's the image. I'll select it. So after that, you just have to go ahead and paste the prompt that you just got from ChatGPT. Go ahead and paste the prompt, and then go ahead and hit generate video. Now let's watch and see as our video is being generated. All right, guys, so our video has been generated. Look at it. Okay, look at the quality of the video. Wow, guys, this is top notch. Now let me play the video so that you see what we have here.
Mommy, I want to let you know that I will be resuming school this week.
My dear, we will talk about that later. Go and cook something for dinner.
Mommy,
All right, guys. So this is top notch. This is what we want. We got it right. Look at the audio quality and look at the video quality. All right. Although I'm not surprised because we are using Grok here, Grok Imagine. So it's the same quality that they are going to give us. So this is just you having access to Grok and also having access to Gemini, Omni Flash, and Seedance 2.0 fast, and also Clink for absolutely free. Although this is not 100% free, all right, because they give you credit. So like this is, although this is not the first video I generate, right? You may ask, the AI video, my credit finish. No, this is not the only video I generate. Okay, like I said, this is for me. The purpose of this video is to show you the AI video generator, right? So now, for you to download, you just have to go ahead and click this arrow. Okay, click this place, and then your video will be saved into your computer successfully. So like this, I have to wait for the AI to be renewed before I can generate any video further. All right, but you can top up your AI credit for as low as $4, and you have access to so many AI models and image here. From just this particular AI tool, you can start a full movie and complete it here. You don't need to visit anywhere. So this is just like a toolkit to AI video generator. All right, and this is basically how you can have access to this free new AI video generator for absolutely free. And I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Make sure to tell me something nice at the comment section, and pick JohnAb as per usual friend. And to salute. Bye.